If you see the warning saying parking support brake malfunction in your Toyota vehicles, it is not connected to the parking brake at all. The parking support brake is the system that automatically reduces the speed of your car when you are backing up and there is an obstacle registered by the rear parking sensors. And also the car understands that you have no intention to brake on your own. The system uses the engine throttle control to avoid acceleration when there is a risk of collision, and also the braking system to apply brakes when needed. But in most cases you will see this parking support brake malfunction warning accompanied by the check engine light or some other warnings. And in this case, just pay attention to other warnings and lights, since the parking support brake system will be deactivated when there are issues with the engine and you have the check engine light, or there are problems with the braking system or ABS, and those issues will need to be resolved. Also, if it's the new Tundra generation, this message may pop up because of the faulty evap canister and there are service bulletins for this issue. Everything is fixed under warranty, or also because of the active grille shutter or so-called air dam problem, which sets the check engine light and hence deactivates the parking support brake system. In some cases, Toyota owners confirmed that a loose gas cap caused this issue, and after the gas cap was reinstalled, the warning and lights disappeared in several minutes. But if you see only the parking support brake malfunction warning, there are several things you need to try. First of all, make sure the rear parking sensors are clean. Also, if you have an aftermarket tow bar or bike rack installed, it may interfere with the work of rear parking sensors. Then there is a well-known problem when you turn off the vehicle too quickly after you've been reversing, which may set the codes in the parking support brake system. In this case, you may reset it by turning the car on, driving several meters, then shifting to park softly, waiting for several seconds, and then turning the car off. Now you need to engage the parking brake to reset the brake actuators, then start the car, and the warning should be gone shortly after that. If you need to show the warning to your dealership, just drive the car in reverse for several meters, then stop, quickly shift to park, and quickly turn off the vehicle. It should set the code again and the warning will get back on the screen, so they may read the codes and apply warranty to repair or reprogram it.